Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make bitmojis video in Snapchat. So the first one is this 3D bitmoji videos. We have a lens from bitmoji. We'll use this lens and we can make bitmoji videos. And we have other option. We can use bitmoji moving sticker in our video or picture, and we can give them a video look. So the first thing you have to do, if you didn't have bitmoji installed in your device, first of all you have to install this bitmoji. Now let's open Snapchat. So once you are in Snapchat camera screen, tap on this filter button. Right to the normal camera button, you can see this 3D bitmoji button. You tap there and you will see this 3D bitmoji dancing. You can increase or decrease the emoji size with both of your finger. You can drag over the screen to position this bitmoji. As you can see, you can change the face direction. So this is the 3D bitmoji. So let's make a video. Let's record a video while the 3D bitmoji is dancing. Okay. Now on the right side top corner you can see this third button. This is sticker button. Tap there. Second button on the top is the bitmoji button. Tap there and you will see all your bitmojis. From here you can choose your favorite bitmojis that you used before. As you can see in the bottom, different categories are there. These are gestures, greet gestures, these are love birds, these are good moods. You can choose moving bitmojis from here and add to your photos or videos. And these categories are bed moods. You can just choose this moving bitmojis from here and add to your pictures or videos. I am using this bitmoji stickers over this 3D bitmoji video, but you can choose your picture or video from camera roll, or you can record your normal video and you can use this sticker. If you want to remove some sticker, just drag the sticker and you can see this delete button on the right side. And you can clear your screen always. And if you want to change the costume of your bitmoji, then just go back to the main screen, settings screen, and you can see this bitmoji option where you can change your outfits and edit your bitmojis. So that's it guys. Likewise you can make bitmoji videos in your Snapchat. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.